Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called connections and tap on it. And here find the option called Wi-Fi and tap on it. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. If it's disabled, tap on the switch to enable it. And once the Wi-Fi is enabled, we can scroll down and you should see the list of available networks. Basically, the networks nearby we can connect to. Find the network you want to connect to. For example, this one. So let's select it. And now we need to tap on password right here to enter it, and then tap on enter password. And we can enter the password now. I'm just gonna swipe up on the keyboard like this to bring up the menu, change to numbers, and I'm gonna enter the password. Oh, my bad. Okay, and once you're done entering the password, tap on the OK button and then tap on connect. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the network right here under the on button. This means you are connected and you should have the access to the internet. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.